Dior. If you adore me, Dior me. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. You guys know spring is in a few days, or by the time I post this video it's already spring, but summer is literally right around the corner, and you know what that means. It's time to get some new shoes, new slides, all that type of stuff. So with that being said, I'm going to be showing you guys a sneaker and sandal haul for the summertime, springtime, or with just any time of the year, of course. If you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys go check out my luxury playlist description and my luxury playlist hauls, because if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. And if you want to know more information about any of the items I had got in this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Of course, you have to follow me, because I notice people that are trying to skip following me, but they're taking the time to DM me and they just completely ignored what I said. And honestly, I do feel like that's pretty rude, because there are people that are literally charging if you want to know more information, but I'm not doing that. I'm just simply asking for a little follow on Instagram and subscribing and liking this video. I'm so freaking excited to show you guys everything that I got and just give you guys some inspiration, some fashion ideas, and all of that. So yeah, let me bend down real quick because everything is on the ground. These are dope kicks, and if you guys seen my last sneaker designer haul, then you know that I already got some Yeezys, and those were like my first Yeezys. But these right here, I just had to get another pair. Like, Yeezys are elite, they're amazing. The quality, the comfort, is mainly the comfort. It's the comfort for me, because the more I'm getting older, I'm just looking for more comfort nowadays than like being uncomfortable just for the look. No, I like being comfortable while being stylish and everything. So these are what they look like in the box, and as you can see, they are all black, and I don't really have all black in my closet when it comes to shoes. I only have one pair that's like literally all black with like no type of color on it. These are so basic and comfortable and like cute at the same time. This is like more of a casual look, but of course you can style it however you want. You could dress it up or down, and that's pretty much what anything, honestly. But these are the Yeezy Boost 700 in triple black. The main part that really got me is that it has 700 right here, and like once you put like some type of light on it, then it like gives a reflecting look, and I love that. Another main thing about it is that it doesn't have like shoelaces, so you don't have to tie them. All you have to do is literally throw these on. Just throw them on, and these feel like you're walking on clouds. And with the sizing, it's really good. I got these in a US 7, and these are nice. I'm going to be trying all the shoes and slides on for you guys so I can be a little reference. And this is what the bottom of them look like. And I honestly do not mind this part because it's not going to be seen anyway. And on the inside it says Yeezy with the Adidas logo. And the back of them looks like this. But let me show you guys what both of them look like side to side. Next, I got some Gucci slides, and I only have one pair of Gucci slides, but I had to get me another pair. Like, Gucci slides are, I feel like they're essential in your closet to have. At least like have one or two pair. With any little designer purchase, you're gonna get a bag, and it just says Gucci on it. You can put your slides in here and throw away the box if you want to. This is the Gucci sandal, and I'll insert the name somewhere in the video, but yeah, this one has a B on it. Some of them just have the red and green, or just the web print GG, but no, this one has the red and green and the GG print with a B like that's on the side. On the side they have Gucci, back, And the quality of the side is like really good. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like they just threw this on. Like, no, it feels really good and really designer purchase. You get some type of little bag. Even the paper says Dior on it. Like, this is so fancy. Like, I know Gucci and other brands be doing that, but I didn't realize Dior would actually do that. This is cute. These are the Dior sandal slides that I got, and it has embroidering on it. Like, I know there's like a other pair that doesn't have embroidering, but I really like this. These are so cute. Actually, these are upside down. Let me just show you guys like this. Like, these are so freaking I'm so obsessed with these. Like, I don't have any classy looking sandal. Like, I only have one that's like Louis Vuitton, but it has like the ankle thing on it. But let's say I don't want to have anything that has like any type of strap on my ankle. I can just throw these on, and these are perfect. Literally, it says Christian Dior Paris, okay? And same thing right here. And what else? Oh, this is what underneath them look like. This one has some type of peely thing on it, which I'll peel off later when I try these on for you guys. But this one I did peel off. I did get these in a size 39, and these fit perfectly. Like, they do feel a little bit tight just because I do have like a wide foot, but I'll still wear these. It's not that wide to the point where it's like I can't wear these because these look too weird on me or my feet are touching the actual ground type of wide. Like, no, these do feel comfortable, and like they have like the perfect type of curve for your foot. I don't know if you guys can like realize like the curve right here that it has for your foot area, so your foot does not touch the ground or anything. But if you do have like more slimmer feet, this would be perfect. Literally so freaking perfect. And I know I said like literally like 20,000 times, but I swear these are too cute. And it also has like a little small heel on it, which it's not really a heel, but in case you like really wanted to know like every single detail about this sandal slide. One thing I can say about this is that I'm gonna end up having to put some type of grip type of thing on this, because I did it with my Louis Vuitton sandal type of slides, and I felt way better and way more comfortable walking in them. So I'm going to put one of those grip things that you just peel off, then will stick to the shoe and it'll just have more of a grip, because this is the only grip that it has on this shoe, and that kind of makes me uncomfortable. That is one little negative thing that I can say about these for now, but I'll leave a link for a shoe gripper down below for you guys, because I got mine on Amazon and it works so good. So make sure you guys go check out my description. And oh, one more thing, it also has Dior right here, made in Italy. Actually, one more quick thing, I can also tell that these are not going to get dirty quick because the color on them is not like a full bright white. It's like a white with a type of nude, to where like it's not gonna look dirty if they get dirty. I got me some Chanel slides. These were honestly last minute as heck. Like I wasn't even planning to get these, but once I open everything, this is what everything comes with. A little information, a little bow if I wanted to give this as a gift or decorate it. But I'm not even a bow, but a tie that you can make into a bow. But I am planning to use this for other things. I also got a little baggie. I had got these, and oh my gosh, these are adorable. Like, let me give you guys some of the tea about this slide, because doesn't it look like it's an embroidered type of knit type of slide, like from far away, but when you look up close and personal, these have pearls on them, braided pearls on them. I was shook. I didn't realize that these were pearls at all. Like, I wasn't even paying attention, like literally. I just knew that this design and this gold Chanel logo and just the shape of the shoe and the gold right here too, like it just made me automatically attracted to the slide. And then once I got these, I was like so freaking shook. I'm like, oh my gosh, these are beautiful. And I think these also recently just came out too, like 2 years ago in 2020 or 2019. But yeah, this is adorable. And these are more classy because these are like a creamy white and more pure, and the pearls and the gold, it just gives me like super classy, not too type of a chill type of vibe with the sandal. Underneath this slide, it literally spells Chanel. Got these in a size 39 as well, and these are made in Italy. And I'm just so obsessed with this. I swear on everything, I had no clue that these were actual pearls. That's what makes them stand out and be more different. And I'm also glad these aren't like pure white to where it's like I'm gonna get them dirty once I step my foot in this. This is like a creamy type of white, but most likely, of course, this part's gonna get hella dirty, but that's fine because shoot, like I'm not gonna stress over a shoe. No, like if they get dirty underneath, I'm not gonna, no, I don't really care about that. But this part, I'm just really glad that I know for a fact these are not gonna get dirty quick. Underneath right here, this part would probably get dirty quick. All I know is that you can't really do a lot in these. These are like special occasion type of slides. And let me show you guys more of the detail on this slide. And do not mind my nails, by the way. Like, I haven't done them in like 3 weeks because I gave them a little break, and I am planning to do a nail video soon for the spring and summertime, give you guys some type of nail inspiration. And I've been giving my nails a break, and my cuticles have been really sensitive too, so and just try to get them moisturized before I even put my hand in the camera very closely. So yeah, enough of me talking about this, but these are gorgeous. And actually, let me give you guys the actual name of this. This is the Chanel Pearl Beaded Lambskin Slide. So this is lambskin and this is the pearl part, and they also have these in black, and I was this close of getting black, this close, but maybe next time I'm gonna get black because the black ones are really cute as well. They're just black pearls, and that's very different and very cute. And just, I love me some Chanel. Like, Chanel be really creative and going at it. Louis Vuitton, Chanel, my favorite, period. The last shoe I have to show you guys in this haul are from Nike. And if you're a sneakerhead or if you're familiar with sneakers, you would probably know what this is because of the packaging, like the exact shoe and everything, because of the packaging. And I've been thinking about these for months, but I've been really hesitant because I'm like, would I ever wear these? Then again, I don't have anything that's really girly in my closet when it comes to sneakers. Everything's like pretty basic. These are the Jordan 1 Retro Atmosphere sneakers, and you guys know, or if you don't, but they just came out in 2021 or 2020, but I believe it's in 2021, like December 2021. But these are the bubblegum sneakers, and y'all know they have pink on them. And I didn't even realize too until like when I was first researching that these were actually like a dark navy blue instead of black, but that's fine because these are still really cute. And this is perfect for the summertime because I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has some type of hue on it, like a rainbowy, bright, shiny type of hue on the pink area. And that just makes it so girly and so cute. And underneath the shoe is pink. You guys know I really love baby pink. Like, I'm a really girly girl. I love me some baby pink and, like, you know, all that girly stuff. And underneath the shoe, it has a bubblegum print, and I thought that was so freaking different. I'm like, whoever idea was this, they're a genius, because it's not even just the color of the shoe that's bubblegum. There's actually an imprint of bubblegum, and that makes so much sense just to have underneath the shoe. So yeah, this is hella cute. And this part of the shoe is so cute. I'm gonna actually leave it on here. I was gonna take it off, but I was like, no, this makes them like more different. And what else? Oh, I got these in a size US8. I wear US8 in Nikes. It has the Nike Air logo right here, and on the side, this is what the back looks like. And it also comes with 2 different laces as well, instead of just the navy blue. So I have white laces and a bubblegum pink lace, but I'm gonna just leave the navy blue on the lace because it just matches better in my opinion, or like depends on what outfit I'm wearing. But I'm glad I have extra laces just in case. And with just the way that the colors are set up, it's like the pink, then the white, then the navy blue, then this, and it's just gorgeous and cute, and it's my type of style for sure. I should have set these up before I had got on camera, but I'll show you guys when I try them on in the next few clips. But these are my favorite. This is like the most girliest shoe that I've seen from Nike. Actually no, there's like other girlier shoes, but these are like more chill type of girly, not too type of girly, but very chill type of girly, more summery type of vibe in my opinion. But it can be all year round. It really depends on what you wear, what your style is, what your fashion is, everything like that. There's one little negative thing that I can say about this shoe is that when I did try these on, they were a little bit tight right here, like just a tad bit, like just literally a tad bit tight. And I think it's just because my foot is like wide. But I know that once I wear these a lot and just like, you know, break them in, they'll be more looser and they'll get more comfortable. But yeah, when you first get these, make sure you try to break them in as much as you can. Get your correct size, like get your accurate size and everything, because you don't want them too big. But make shoes, if you have any questions or concerns about the shoes and the sneakers, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and DM me. Like this video, it helped me so much. And also subscribe to my channel to join the Harmony. I love you guys to be a part of my Harmony, be a part of the familia. Okay, we have so much fun over here. We're very chill over here, but yeah, we still have a lot of fun. And click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.